Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the items that I picked up during the Christmas sales. So I was doing my shopping for everyone else, but I was also doing some shopping for myself as well. So yeah, I just picked up a few things, but as usual, I like to haul these things with you guys, show them to you so that way you have an idea as to some of the videos that are going to be coming your way here really soon. So the first item that I want to talk about is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Matte Powder Foundation. This is the most recent release of this powder. It wasn't on sale per se because it was just released on December 26th. And yes, I was anxiously waiting for this release to happen because I really wanted to try this powder out. I am wearing this powder today. If you're interested in hearing more of my thoughts regarding this powder, I am going to be uploading a video here really soon, so be on the lookout for that. But this is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation powder. This is what the packaging looks like. Very nice packaging. I picked this up in the shade 385, and this is what this shade looks like. So yeah, very glad to have this powder. You can pick this powder up at Sephora for $36, or you can pick it up on the Fenty website for $36. Fenty has released 50 shades of this powder foundation, and a few things that Sephora thinks that you may want to know about this foundation. That it is a light as air powder foundation that gives you light to full coverage with a soft matte finish. The coverage is medium, the finish is matte, the formulation is pressed powder, and the call out in ingredient states that this product is free of parabens, platelets. It is also vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. And something else that Sephora thinks that you may want to know about this powder is that this powder delivers a non-cakey blurred finish with no flashback. The buildable light to full coverage formula loves to be layered without settling into fine lines or clogging the look of pores. It's also sweat, humidity, and crease resistant, plus it has a chic portable compact. So yeah, showed you guys the compact. It is very chic and I like the compact quite a bit. There are some very strong claims that Sephora has on their website in regards to this product. So yeah, I cannot wait to do a wear test of this product, and I think I may be doing some side-by-side comparisons for you guys as well. So just know that that is going to be coming up. But yeah, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation Powder is one of the items that I picked up during this holiday season. This next item is from MAC. This is the MAC Studio Fix Soft Matte Foundation Stick. And I picked this up in the shade NW50. And I wanted to try a different contour, a different cream contour. I have been using the Tarte Clay foundation stick in the shade Rich Honey as my cream contour for quite some time. If you guys have been watching my channel for any time, you know that that's part of my staple cream contouring product. So I wanted to give something else a try. So this is what this product looks like. So yeah, MAC now does have stick foundations, and this is the actual shade of this product. And let's do a little swatch here. Swatch this here on the back of my hand, and you can see that. So yeah, I am going to use this as a contour shade. I like the fact that MAC has also put the shade on the actual barrel of the product. That's really nice. And some other information that you may want to know about this product. The Studio Fix Soft Matte Foundation Stick, it's portable perfection anytime, anywhere. MAC's Studio Fix Soft Matte Foundation Stick is an easy, on-the-go multitasking foundation stick that perfects skin tone, contours, curves, and highlights features. Achieve buildable medium coverage with this ultra-blendable formula for a natural, shine-free matte finish that lasts 24 hours. So the coverage for the Studio Fix Matte Foundation Stick is a medium coverage, and this is for all skin types. You can pick this up at the MAC store or at MAC online for $33. So yeah, this is the MAC Studio Fix Soft Matte Foundation Stick, and I picked this up during this holiday season. And I also picked up some things from Mented, and I wanted to try another of their palettes. I have their everyday palette, but they have now come out with an every night eyeshadow palette. This is what this palette looks like. And let me show you the color story. And this is the color story. So very, very pretty palette. You can pick this palette up on the Mented website for $30. And some of the things that Mented is saying about this palette, they're saying that our every night eyeshadow palette was designed for its glam, go anywhere shades, including 5 gorgeous shimmers and 5 warm blendable matte. Our palette gives you an effortless way to amplify your beauty routine from coffee date to happy hour and everything in between. Featuring 10 deeply pigmented shades, all named after the founders' favorite cities and neighborhoods. We're going to do some swatches here. Chicago, which is described as a champagne shimmer. Miami, which is described as a peachy gold shimmer. It's Miami. Los Angeles is a rose pink shimmer. Very, very pretty. Las Vegas, which is a cranberry red shimmer. And New Orleans, which is described as a copper shimmer. So those are all of the shimmer shades. That's going to be Chicago, Miami, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, and New Orleans. Very nice. So all of the shades on the top are shimmers, and on the bottom row we have Houston. Build that up a little bit more. This is Houston, and Houston is described as a matte warm beige. And then we've got Philly, and Philly is described as a matte warm tan. And then we have Harlem, and Harlem is described as a matte chocolate brown. And we have Atlanta. Atlanta is described as a matte purple brown. And then last but not least, we have Brooklyn, and Brooklyn is described as a matte black. So these are the 10 shades that come in the Every Night palette from Mented. It's a gorgeous palette. Again, you could pick this up on the Mented website for $30, and I picked this up during the most recent holiday sale. I also picked this up from Mented. This is the Mented Lip Gloss Trio. I love the lip products that come from Mented. I love the formula. I love the shades. That's probably one of the products that they have that is definitely a winner for me every time. And this is what this looks like. This is absolutely gorgeous. You guys have seen me use this shade right here. This shade is called Bury Me. These shades are really, really pretty. They're calling this a trio. However, there are four shades in here. So on the Mented website, this package is called the Slay Sis Gloss Collection. And the shades of lip gloss in this collection are called Baby Brown, Send Nudes, Bury Me, and Mauve Over. Really, really love these glosses, and I picked this up during the holiday sale. This next item is from Juvia's Place, and this is the Melissa palette. This quad was on sale for $10 when I purchased it. It is now on sale for $5. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous quad. And if you guys know anything about Juvia's Place, as I do, you know that Juvia's Place is known for having some high quality, affordable eyeshadow palettes. Look at this quad. This is absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And the description of this quad on the Juvia's Place website states, introducing our very first 4-pan palette with Melissa, a beautiful wine palette, perfect for the holiday, consists of 1 shimmer, 2 mattes, and 1 pressed glitter. So this is really, really pretty. I cannot wait to play with this. Again, this is from Juvia's Place. I picked it up for $10. It is on sale right now for $5. So yeah, if you are interested in Juvia's Place, now's the time to pick this up. I picked it up during the holiday season. The next palette that I picked up from Juvia's Place, it's not new at all. It has been around for quite some time. It's just that out of all the Juvia's Place palettes that I have purchased. For some reason, this one slipped through the cracks, but I was not going to let it slip any longer. I was going to go ahead and pick this up. This is the Nomad palette. This is a gorgeous palette. I love these yellow tones that are in these palettes. This is really, really pretty. I can't wait to play with these. And on the Juvias Place website, the description of this palette states, in 9 stunning shades, the Nomad is the iconic eyeshadow palette featuring fall's perfect color spectrum, from striking marigold to shimmering honey to deep merlot and more. You'll experience bold, empowered, flawless finishes from the colorful eyeshadows that complements every nude, brown, and yellow eye look. So yeah, this is a gorgeous palette. Super glad to finally have this in my collection. I picked it up during this holiday season. I also want to mention the artwork on the Juvias Place palette is always so cute. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous, gorgeous artwork? Love it. Very nice. I also picked up some lip products from Juvias Place. I picked up this Red Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick from Juvias Place. This lipstick is now on sale for $5. And on Juvias Place, this lipstick is described as a mini liquid lipstick. It's red velvet, which is a universal cool tone red. This is super pretty. And let me see if I can give you a swatch here of this. I've been into red lipsticks here lately. I don't know why, what's going on with me, but there's nothing like a good red lipstick. So this will be a good liquid lipstick. This is Red Velvet from Juvias Place. And the other lipstick that I picked up, this is a Velvet Matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Rouge. This packaging is so cute. How adorable is that? Just so cute. Very cute packaging. This is what the shade looks like. And I'm going to swatch it right here next to Red Velvet. And that's what that looks like. That too is red, not quite as red. So this is the Red Velvet in the liquid lipstick, and this is the shade Rouge. So yeah, I don't know what's in store for me with all these red lipsticks, but you know what? I've always said that every woman needs to have a good red lipstick, so I think that I've got it covered. Won't have to worry about that. And then I picked up one more lip gloss from Juvias Place. This lip gloss is called Sweet Beets. One of those really shiny lipsticks. Give a swatch right here. It's a really shiny lip gloss, I should say. Not lipstick, this is a lip gloss. And you can see that. That's what that looks like. It does have a little color to it. May be good to put on top of maybe some of the other lipsticks that I have. Might be even pretty on top of this lipstick right here. So yeah, we'll see. But yeah, this was on sale at Juvias Place. Juvias Place had an awesome sale. Juvias Place had an awesome holiday sale. So as you can see, I did partake in that. I think this holiday season was an interesting holiday season for us all, as most of us were probably not traveling out to the malls and to other retail shops as we have in Christmas seasons or holiday seasons past. Online shopping was off the charts because I ordered just about all of my Christmas gifts for my family members and friends online, as well as for myself. But these are all the items that I picked up. And again, this is just a segue into some of the things that are coming in 2021, some upcoming videos. I hope that you guys are just excited about seeing these products in action as I am. So I hope you guys like this video. And if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.